Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to draw your eyeliner very easily. This is how it looks inside. It's really pigmented and thick. Not thick, but you can tell it's very pigmented and black. So I'm going to be using this liquid for this eye. Yes. So first of all, you want to follow the lower lid, the angle of your lower lid, and extend it upwards depending on the length of the eyeliner you want to create. Just on the same angle. Try to just draw it at once. You don't have to take it slowly because it's more straight when you draw at once. So from the end, you would draw it up to meet the middle of your lid. Maybe not the middle, but just draw it till it reaches the end, till it reaches your upper lid. Then you want to fill it inside, fill it in with your eyeliner, just to make everything very filled and to not leave any parts and make it look very weird. So you're just going to fill it in. At this point, you will need to look very closely at the mirror. So I'm taking it now from the beginning of my eyes and I'm drawing it very small in order to meet the line where the eyeliner initially stopped. You want to take that part very carefully. Then fill in the rest very neatly. This is something you can do repetitively for you to get it perfectly, but this is the very easiest way to do it to fit your eye shape. You start from the bottom, you draw a line, then you draw it to meet your upper lid, then you start from the beginning and meet the line initially drawn. If you have watched till this point, do well and you found this video helpful, do well to like this video, do well to leave your comments. If you have any questions or if you like me to create any video, do well to leave it in the comment section and do well to subscribe and turn on your notification so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye.